Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'll be showing you how to get Amazon Prime. So there are two ways that you can get your Amazon Prime, and I'm just gonna go ahead and choose the longer way. So you can actually head over to your Twitch account and see Prime Gaming over here. All you need to do is click on Try Prime Gaming and it will send you to gaming.amazon.com or your Prime Gaming website. And now it's gonna tell you to activate Prime Gaming over here. As you can see, lots of this in-game content are actually unclaimable yet because you haven't activated your Prime Gaming account. So as you can see that your Prime Gaming account is actually connected to your Prime Video subscription or your Amazon Prime subscription. So here I am, this is my subscription for my Prime Video, and because of that I have Prime Gaming. So it's fairly cheap for now because there's a promo going on with Amazon. But as you can see, yeah, if you click on content that you want to get, it's going to tell you to activate your Prime Gaming first, which is the first step in order to get your Prime Gaming ready to go. So let's head over and activate our Prime Gaming. It's fairly easy once you have it already. You have a subscription already. It's now activated. Now you just need to click on get in-game content or anything that you want to get, and now you'll be given the code that you can use to redeem the certain accessory or games or anything else. It actually is different depending on what kind of content you're getting. Mostly if it's games, it's gonna ask you to link your account to whatever gaming platform that game is connected to. But most of the time when getting content such as accessories or skins, it's just gonna ask you it's just gonna give you the redeem code, which you can then use. And that is how you get your Prime Amazon Prime Gaming account and how to use it. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye!